So there's definitely some trouble brewing in the David and Celeste Rivas Hernandez case, as we are learning that there is a witness who was subpoenaed to testify in front of this grand jury, and she is failing to show up. And not only that, but she is also reportedly being uncooperative. So basically earlier today, Beth Silverman, the deputy DA who was presenting this case to a grand jury, went out into the hallway and spoke with Rob Morgan Roth's attorney. Remember, Rob is David's tour manager, and his attorney is Evan Janess. Beth Silverman told Evan Janess that she was going to have the judge issue a, quote, body attachment to force this female witness to testify before the grand jury. It appears that not only did this female witness not show up today, but she didn't show up yesterday, and she reportedly has been uncooperative with investigators prior to this case going to this grand jury. Beth Silverman was said to have appeared frustrated. She said that she would have authorities take this female witness into custody and force her to come into the courtroom. Now, for those who do not know what a body attachment is, in the legal system, it's a court order compelling law enforcement like sheriffs or U.S. Marshals to arrest and bring a person before a judge. In this case, it would be for failing to obey a court order and appearing as a witness. Doing this essentially holds that witness in civil contempt until they comply or until the issue is resolved. If a person in the legal system does not cooperate after being brought in on a body attachment, the primary consequence is that they will likely remain jailed for civil contempt of court until they comply. Now, right now, we do not know who this female witness is, but they have to be connected to Rob Morgan Roth in some way. Either they share the same attorney, or they know that Rob has communication with this witness and may be able to convince them to come and testify. So is this maybe a co-worker, someone who works with him, someone who works under him? We are learning that Rob Morgan Roth did finish testifying in front of the grand jury today, so he spent about 3 days testifying, and according to court documents, this investigative grand jury is convening for the murder investigation of Celeste Rivas Hernandez. So we're going to see how this plays out in the next couple of days. If this female witness still does not comply, we could see an arrest much sooner than we anticipated. What do you guys think about all of this? Let me know in the comments. In my opinion, this is an indicator that someone else knows more than they are wanting to share.